Mount Luay Peak, 1,040 miles. You find a stunning view of the sea, the mountains, and even clouds surrounding you. A perfect spot to feel on the top of the world. This can be found in Santa Cruz del Sur. Perfect for hikers, adventurers, and nature lovers. This destination offers not just sights, but unforgettable memories.
Hi, welcome to Balite Marilog District, Davao City, the summer capital of Davao. Here, you can experience the cool mountain breeze, breathtaking landscapes, and the warm hospitality of the locals. Whether you are here for the peaceful retreat and adventure in nature, or to taste our local delicacies, Balite is a perfect escape from the busy city life. So come and discover the beauty, culture, and serenity of Balite Marilog, where nature feels like home. See you soon!
Dive into its world's famous beaches, explore hidden lagoons, and sail through pristine islands, where nature and adventure meets. Come and fall in love with Palawan, the true jewel of the Philippines.
Hello everyone, my name is Claude Francis Tormes and this is Cebu City. Cebu City is a vibrant island in the Philippines known as the Queen City of the South. It blends rich history, diverse culture, and natural beauty. Cebu City is a major hub for commerce and tourism.
Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel Villar. Bohol is a tropical island province in the Philippines, Central Visayas region, famed for its unique chocolate hills and the endangered Philippine Tarsier. The island offers a mix of natural attractions like white sand beaches, crystal clear water for diving, and historic Spanish era churches. Now let's watch and see my Bohol travel highlights.